Good morning, students. This is Kameshwari. My subject geotechnical engineering. Today we are going to discuss about one related problem regarding capillary tension. In previous classes, we already discussed in a few problems that is related to effective stress, neutral, and different types of problems we already discussed in previous classes. Now, another model that is called as capillary tension. This problem already discussed in previous classes, discharge velocity. Now, first before going to any problem, first read out problem carefully. Calculate the approximate height of capillary rise in a soil having void ratio is 0.7, effective size of a silt 0.05 mm, assume C is equal to 25. What is the value of capillary tension? So, first write given data. Identify the elements, void ratio. What is the value, abbreviation? Void ratio is equal to the term given data. So, void ratio is equal to 0.7. E is equal to 0.7. And effective size of silt. What is the effective size? Effective size is D10. D10, D30, D60. That is Fibonacci's. In that we can learn about effective size. D10 is equal to effective size 10% finer than this. So effective size D10 is equal to 0.05 mm. Effective size D10 is equal to 0.05 mm. And assume C is equal to 25. Cohesion C is equal to 25. Next, what is the formula required for capillary tension? Capillary tension HC is equal to capillary tension H suffix C is equal to 4 Ts cos theta by gamma W into D. 4 Ts 4 T cos Ts by cos theta by gamma W into H. Gamma W into D. So here unit weight of water already we can know that 9.81, and also D value is given, is not given. How to find out remaining T value and D value and theta value? So now capillary height H suffix C is equal to capillary rise H suffix C is equal to height of capillary rise capillary rise, H suffix C is equal to H suffix C is equal to, what is the formula for H suffix C? Height of the capillary rise C by E into D10. So these values already you can know, it is given in problem. So C by E into D suffix 10. What is the value of C value? So C is equal to 25. C is equal to 25 by, what is value of E? The value of E is equal to 0.7 into D10 is equal to 0.05. So what is the value of H suffix C? H suffix C is equal to 0.67 units, height units 0.67 meters. So here H suffix C is equal to C by E into D10. So here all values is given in our problem. So that values directly substitute in height of the capillary rise. Next, we can calculate H suffix C is equal. Next, calculate D is equal to. We know that H suffix C is equal to 0.3 by D. 0.30 by D. So, how to calculate D value? How to calculate D value? By using H suffix C, height of the capillary rise. So already we can calculate H suffix C value 0.67. So D is equal to 0.30 by 0.67. 0.67. What is value of D? The value of D is equal to 0.45 meters. 0.45 meters. Here theta is equal to 0. It is not given. We can assume as theta is equal to 0. So cos 0. So H suffix C is equal to 4. T is equal to, we are calculating capillary tension. So capillary tension T is equal to, tension T is equal to HC into gamma W into D by 4 cos theta, that is equal to 0.47 into 9.81 into 0.45 by 4 into cos 0. Calculate and tell me what is the value of capillary tension T is equal to, that is equal to 0.74 kilonewton per meter. What is the units for capillary tension? 0.74 kilonewton per meter. So this is one of the related problem, capillary tension. So here given a void ratio, effective size and C value, capillary C value. but your original formula 4t by cos theta into gamma into d value is not given, hc value is not given. So you can calculate by using these formulas. Thank you.